Hello everyone, welcome to Art of Testing. In this video, we are going to learn about black box testing, which is one of the major test design techniques to design effective test cases. So let's begin. Black box testing is also referred to as specification based testing. It is a type of testing in which an application is tested based on its requirement specifications without the knowledge of its internal architecture or the implementation. Since we are not concerned about the internal structure of the system and consider it as a black box only, so we just provide the input to the application and match the output with the expected result. Now let's see some features of black box testing. Using black box testing, we can test both functional as well as non-functional requirements of the application. Knowledge or access to the coding, design or internal architecture of the software is not required. Testers can work independently from developers, thus ensuring unbiased and end-user-centric testing. Let's quickly check the different types of black box testing techniques now, starting with equivalence class partitioning. Equivalence class partitioning involves partitioning the input data into logical groups or equivalence classes. All the data items lying in an equivalence class are assumed to be processed in the same way by the application. Let's understand it with the help of an example. Suppose we have an application that finds the square of a number. For example, if you pass the number 3, it will return the output as 9. That is the square of number 3. Now we can have different equivalence classes while testing this application, like all positive numbers, negative numbers, decimal numbers, negative decimal numbers, etc. So we can pick any number from each of the equivalence classes and assume that the application will work fine for all the other numbers of that class. Now you can see its advantages. The overall test execution time will greatly reduce since the test data is considerably getting reduced. Let's move to the next technique, boundary value analysis. Boundary value analysis is a black box testing technique which is closely associated with equivalence class partitioning. In this technique, we analyze the behavior of the application with test data residing at the boundaries of the equivalence classes. For example, for equivalence classes with an input between 0 to 100, the test data using boundary value analysis will be 0 and 100. That is the values lying in the boundaries only. Its advantage is it is easier and faster to find defects. This is because the density of defects at the boundaries is more. Moving on to the next technique, decision tables. Decision table testing is used to test the application's behavior based on a different combination of input values. So in this technique, a decision table is created that has different set of input combinations and their corresponding expected outcomes on each row. Moving on to cause-effect graph now. A cause-effect graph testing is carried out using a graphical representation of input, that is the cause, and output, that is the effect. We can find the coverage of a cause-effect graph based on the percentage of combinations of input tested out of the total possible combinations. Moving on to state transition testing now. State transition testing is based on a state machine model. In this technique, we test the application by graphically representing the transition between the different state of the applications based on the different events and actions. Now let's check the last testing technique, use case testing. Use case testing is a type of testing that is carried out using use cases. In this technique, we test the application using use cases representing the interaction of the application with its different actors. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, please ask in comment sections. Thank you.